Welcome to Bobbi Jo's. Today I'm making broccoli salad. Now I've rinsed my broccoli off. You want to make sure you get it dry. So as I have a big bowl here, I'm going to pinch these off to bite size. As I do that, I'm going to dry them. And we'll be back in just a second when I got them done. So it's important to make sure your broccoli is dried off some, because after you rinse it, it will hold in a lot of water, and that'll make your salad a little runny, and you don't want a runny broccoli salad. And this is something that's really good to take to a get-together, cookout, things like that, since we're about to celebrate the 250th anniversary of America's independence. This would be a good thing to take to a picnic or anything like that. Okay, so we've got, I would say, about 8.5 cups of broccoli here. So you want between 8 and 9 cups of broccoli. I have 1 cup of bacon bits, and I get these from Sam's. It's the Members Mark brand. It's real crumbled bacon. A 1/2 cup of onion. It's about 1/4 of a red onion, and it is finely diced. It's tiny. 1 cup of dried cranberries. I actually didn't order these. These came in my pickup order. They were placed in my pickup order and they weren't mine, but they told me to keep them. So I'm going to use them in this. And you need a cup of shredded cheese. And you want it to be shredded a little bigger, not finely shredded. I have a feeling this is more than a cup. This is Colby. I have cheddar, but I'm using Colby because I have my block already shredded. And however much that is going in there, but the recipe calls for 1 cup. Okay, so we're going to set this aside. In a smaller bowl, we're going to mix 1 cup of mayo. You can use whatever kind of mayo you normally use. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, or you can use white wine vinegar, that works too. And 2 tablespoons of sugar. And we're just going to mix this together. Now this is a good make-ahead recipe. It's better after it sits in the fridge for a little while. You want to at least refrigerate it for 1 hour. I like to make it a day ahead of time, and that way it's ready to go on the next day, and it's more flavorful. Typically I add sunflower kernels to this, but I don't have any, but it would be about 1/2 cup of sunflower kernels. Okay, we're just going to pour the dressing over. I also have a keto version of this. I'll link the video in the video description if you want to make a keto version of broccoli salad. I usually make one of each if we're having a get-together. And you just toss everything in there and get everything mixed into the dressing. And this is good any time of year. This makes a really good salad to serve at Thanksgiving too, because it's got the cranberries in it. And it's just real pretty, the red and the green. Good for holidays. You're going to stick it in the fridge for at least an hour. You're going to cover it and stick it in the fridge for at least 1 hour. And then before you serve it, you want to mix it again, toss it around a little, because things will settle. I know this is drool-worthy. I love it. My taste testing husband does not care for veggies, so I'm not even going to have him taste test this. But I just wanted to show y'all how easy it is to make a broccoli salad for those of you that do like your veggies. And this is good and flavorful. All right, I'm gonna stick in the fridge, let it do its thing. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a blessed day.